Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Are you having trouble opening the TikTok app? Maybe it crashes, freezes on the loading screen, or just won't launch at all? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common issue, and there are several proven methods to fix it. In this guide, you'll learn step-by-step how to troubleshoot and solve the problem so you can get back to scrolling and creating content on TikTok in no time. 1. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix small glitches. On iPhone, hold the power button, slide to power off, then turn your phone back on. 2. Check for TikTok app updates. Using an outdated version of TikTok can cause it to crash or fail to open. Go to the App Store RCND, search for TikTok. Press the update button if available. 3. Check your internet connection. TikTok needs a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is connection related. Or restart your router if you're using Wi-Fi. 4. Force stop the app. If TikTok is frozen or not responding, on iPhone, swipe up from the bottom or tap on Assistive Touch and select Switch App, and close TikTok from recent apps. 5. Reinstall the TikTok app. This is one of the most effective solutions. Delete TikTok, then download it again from the App Store or Play Store. This ensures you get a clean, updated version of the app. 6. Check device storage. If your phone is low on storage, apps may fail to open. Free up space by deleting unused apps, videos, or files. 7. Update your phone's operating system. Using an outdated OS can affect how apps function. Check for updates in Settings, scroll down and tap General, then tap on Software Update, and install if available. 8. Check TikTok server status. Sometimes, the issue is not with your phone, but with TikTok itself. Search online for TikTok server status. On this website, you will see whether TikTok is down or not. You can see the hours of error and in which countries are experiencing TikTok down. Now you know how to fix TikTok not opening on iPhone. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.